Good morning, my name's Bridget. Shauna.
I'm Grace. I'm Allie.
And today we're making slime. So our ingredients include googly eyes, shaving cream, contact solution that we went an hour looking for. Alright.
Everyone grab a glue.
Everybody grab a stick of glue from Mr. Potter. This one. Alright.
Shaving cream. And I'm doing it.
Wait, is that baking soda?
Huh?
Dude, it's shaving cream first.
Okay.
I make slime all over.
Okay. Put the shaving cream in.
Place it down.
I know. I'm holding up to the camera.
Okay. I'll mix.
Next step is baking soda. Okay, Shauna.
Delish.
Let's get a real good waft of it, you know?
Like a whiff.
So guys, what's your favorite part about slime?
Wait.
Your mama.
Can you even hear that? Can you guys lock in like we're trying?
There is approximately...
The time's ticking.
The time is ticking, guys.
We have 31 minutes.
Who has hair in their phone?
That's me. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, so it's time for
winging
baking
it.
soda. Excuse me, get out of my way.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Why?
Oh, so our next step is the contact solution. Kind of forgot to say that.
Bridget just added the whole thing.
Yeah,
I just ruined
to
our
make
slime.
some slime, guys.
I don't know. Are you clap if you're judging her?
Oh, that's so preppy.
Oh yay.
Oh my god, I'm hip.
Wait, it's done? How did that go so fast? We did not use
Here you go.
contact solution. Thanks.
We did. We used the whole thing. It's so wet, dude.
Embarrassing.
Okay, guys. Hold up the slime.
Hold up.
Okay, that'll be our thumbnail for the YouTube video, y'all.
That's how you make
Big
slime. Bye, y'all.
You wanna take the
Wait, you
mic?
need to pass the mic around when we say our names, yeah?
Where's your mic?
My mic's here, but I'm
Good morning, Raiders.
What?
What was that?
Okay, y'all.
Shut up.
I'm really scared to I'm actually gonna.
It's gonna like invert your face to be.
Literally just gonna be like. Well, I looked really good.
Dude, you looked beautiful on TV last week.
Too much shaving cream. No.
Yeah, we can put more glue in there.
Yeah.
We have no clue.
What do you mean?
When Grace is done mixing, next guy.
Our next guys, this is so me.
Dude, are you going to check?
Oh, bye, Shauna.
Say hi. This group is.
What's up, Raiders?
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night.